Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.23 Foundational Premise. Fixture fabrication is both an art and a science. Both the artistic and scientific aspects, as well as company policy and legal standards, can be aids and obstacles to dealing with the economic reality of a competitive market. Within that environment, this entire cost workup process is based on the premise that the most efficient methods will be used to produce high-quality fixtures for the lowest possible cost. Within that premise, it is assumed that only one piece of material will be needed for each part, and that only once will the necessary labor be performed on each part, component, and section to make the entire fixture. Errors occur, thus both a material scrap allowance and labor overhead allowances are available to accommodate production experience. This example, 1.1.23, is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.24.